Republic Day. Republic Day is national festival. I wish you our very happy Republic Day. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very good, well done. She is Neetu Kumari. She has delivered her speech in English on the occasion of this Republic Day. Very, very thanks. Anybody else who wants to deliver his or her speech in Hindi or English, who has come on the mic to deliver your speech? कोई और बच्चे हैं जो भाषण देना चाहते हैं? उन्हें मैं अभी I am providing you this opportunity because nearly half hour is to hoist this tricolor flag in the sky. अभी तिरंगा झंडा को फहराने में अभी आधा घंटा बाकी है. This tricolor flag will be hoisted on 9:30. So nearly it is to 30 minutes. So anybody else who wants to deliver her or his speech in Hindi or English, who can come on the mic.
तब तक गीत चलने दीजिएगा, मैं आकर के.
अगर कोई बच्चा
अभी नहीं, बाद में.